guess what we're having today? Pizza! I know you all love pizza. And this one is called Meatlovers Keto Bites. We are having baked cauliflower. So I'm going to top it like I'm topping a real pizza. And then I have pre-made, I grilled some ground beef and I added some spices like a little paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And then I have shredded mozzarella and some shredded Asiago and a bacon, which must for our meat lover. I have a homemade tomato sauce with the spinach, and I already roasted my mushrooms so they don't release some liquid on it. I have my turkey pepperoni, which is nice and it will be crunchy. I have some basil, which I love. I have some shallot and some jalapeno peppers. I love hot peppers, so you can leave them out if you don't want to. So let's get to it, folks. First, what I do is, this is gonna be opposite. I'm going to put my cheese first, okay? Just dump some good old mozzies, okay? Now we have some Asiago, mix it, okay? Then we're gonna put some, I like to put my basils on the bottom because they get burned on the top. Now we got some sauce on top of mozzarella, and we just do it like this. This is not a flat surface, so we're just gonna dump bunch it. It's gonna dissolve as it gets cooked. So we got our sauce on top. Okay, now can you guess what's next? I think I'm gonna put mushrooms. You know why? Because they have some moisture they need to absorb, and if I put them on top, it's gonna release some liquid. We don't want that. Now next one is going to be, yes, our burgers. Now we're gonna put some burgers. Okay, so next one, we're going to put some good old bacon. Okay, I have some bacon. You can just shred it, pieces, bacon bites. And because it's gonna be covered with more cheese, so it's gonna get still nice and crunchy on top. Now we're gonna do our next meat, which is Mr. Paprika, turkey paprika, because too many, we got pork, we got beef,
paprika.
And I mean pepperoni. Okay, my brain is fried with my fried cheese. Now we got this, right? Right.
Looks like a mountain of meat.
Okay, mountain of meat, because we said that, right? Okay, so now we're getting more cheese. More cheese, more cheese, more cheese. Rain, cheese of rain. Okay. Now we're gonna do some little bit vegetables. Even we said meat lovers, but I also like some shallot onions, which gives a nice sweet flavor. Okay. Okay, so I got a little bit red chili pepper I like to add. Give some burn in your mouth so you don't eat too much. If it's too spicy, then you're gonna walk away. If it's too good, then you're gonna keep eating. So we got a little bit dust. Now this dust is gonna create a crunch outside, so no moisture, okay? That's why we're adding this. Going in, guys, whether you like it or not. 400 degree. I put it on top so it gets nice and crunchy, baked evenly. So 15 minutes, and then I'll come back, show you what it looks like. Hope everyone is hungry, as I am. Wow! Our pizza is ready. All right, guys, I'm taking it out. Okay. Make sure very careful, it's hot. As you can see, it is a big mountain of goodness. And it's a pizza bite. You're just gonna pull it out and eat it. All right, so you don't really have to be keto to enjoy this gorgeous looking meat lovers bite. You can entertain your friends over the football game. You just pull it out, everybody eats with their hands like this. Oh my God, it's yummy. The top is all crunchy and the inside is gonna be a little moist because the sauce. Okay, that's for this edition. So we'll see you next time, right?